Good morning, my dear children. Today I am going to take the next lesson, that is flags of the world and name the spot. Flags of the world and name the spot. That is in the flags of the world. Here are the flags of some countries. Read the clues, write the names of the countries, choose from the box. So you are given the country's name in the box and the flags, different flag, that is the different kinds of flags there in the picture, that is the country's flags there. So and also the gap portion is there, you should have to write the correct name of the country there. Okay, yeah, first one, the Eiffel Tower is in this country. So in which country Eiffel Tower is? In which country the Eiffel Tower is? That is in France. Where is it? France. Yeah. Second, that flag of the country is given there, that is Kuala Lumpur is the capital of this country. So which is the capital of Kuala Lumpur? So which is the capital of Kuala Lumpur? Malaysia. Which is Malaysia. Yeah. Third flag is London is the capital of this country. So which is the capital of that London? Which country? In the box you are given the UK, the United Kingdom. Yeah. Fourth one, the 2016 Olympics were held in this country. So 2016 Olympics is held in which country? Yeah, Brazil. Where is it? Brazil. Yeah. Fifth one, this is the second largest country in the world. So which is the second largest country in the world? Canada. So which is the second largest country in the world? Yeah, Canada. Yeah. Sixth one, this country has the largest population in the world. So which country has the largest population in the world? China. Which country? Largest population in the world? China. Yeah. Next, seventh one, it is known as the land of rising sun. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? Which country is known as the land of rising sun? Yeah, Japan. Which is yeah, Japan. Yeah. Next is eighth one. Cape Town, a popular tourist destination, is in this country. So Cape Town, a popular tourist destination, is in this country. Which country it is? South Africa. Where it is? Yeah, South Africa. Yeah. Next is ninth one. The president of this country lives in the White House. So where the president of that country lives in which house? White House. Which country the president lives in White House? Yeah, that is the USA, the United States of America. The USA. In the box you are given the country's name. So you can write it in the proper way in your dotted portion there in the bottom side of your textbook. Okay. Yeah. That is the ninth one is the USA. Okay, all of you got it now? Yeah. Can we go to the next? Name the sport. Yeah. That is in the name the spot. There are many sports pictures are there in your textbook. That is in the page number 187. Yeah. Look at the pictures. Write the names of these sports. Choose from the box. So what is the first picture? Show that what is it? Yeah, swimming. What is it? Swimming. Yeah, in the box you are given the answers are there. So you can choose it and write it in the portion you have given there in the textbook. Okay, yeah. First one is swimming. Yeah. Second one, what is it? What that sport is? Yeah, gymnastic. What is it? Yeah, gymnastic. Yeah. Next one is third one. Third one, the picture of that, what is that? You can see the polo. What is it? Yeah, polo. Next picture, fourth one, it is already given the fencing. You are given that that is sport name is the fencing. Got it now? Yeah. Next is the fifth one. You can see the car there, no? So what race is that? Yeah, car racing. What is it? Yeah, car racing. Up to that we have finished this name the spot. Thank you, my dear children. We can meet in the next class. Thank you.